really gently. It's really simple. You don't have to stress it out. And then as you may see, this is an LED, but as you can see, the cover doesn't let a lot of light go through. And then there's this small plug here. I hope you can see it. The small plug right here that you have to push, and then the whole thing comes loose. Easy. Both puddle lights side by side. This is the modified one with the Audi Sport logo, and this is the original one with the plain LED lights. The modified one has 2 plug entries, just in case you have an older model. I am installing it on an Audi S5 B9, so I will be using the smaller plug. I don't know if you can see well. Yep. And that's about all. Here we go. And it's gonna shine bright. Here we are. And you just put it back in, deep inside. And there we are. And it looks amazing. I mean, this is a complete upgrade. Complete upgrade. I mean, the lights are on in the parking lot. This is beautiful. And I did it on both sides. It is really high resolution. Lovely.